there's a few things I wanted to be sure you knew how to do. So once you're here, you're going to start with your new story map. You can call it whatever you want. Just to make things simple, I would do the title of the project. So 54, the story of Manifest Destiny, and then hit create. So from here, the first slide you're going to have is your headline slide. This is like your title slide. So maybe you want to say like whatever your name is. Then you could talk about introduce the group you're going to talk about here. All right. Second thing you want to do is you probably want to change this background. I've noticed that on the Chromebooks, the default background doesn't really work for us. I'm not quite sure why. So if you go up here and you click this options, and then, you can change all of this stuff too if you wanted to. I don't. It gets a little crazy. You can change fonts, whatever you want. However, the map type is probably what you want to do. And here, the one I used was the Statesman watercolor. That's a pretty cool one. Or you can also use the Open Street Maps. That's more like a realistic looking one. So I'm going to use this one. I just kind of like it. So now here's your title. Next thing you're going to do is start to add your locations. You have to have 5 locations. So you click add a slide. And you want to start here. So many of you have been doing something about Oregon Trail. So I'll put here Independence, Missouri. There's my marker. So I put in here jumping off. And then you could talk about why you selected this. What's so important? Take some time in here and make sure you go into great detail. Right. Once you find that, you're going to want to put a picture for different things. So you'll get your picture, whatever it might be, and then put your URL in here. You could also upload images. If you have any pictures on your desktop or on your Chromebook, you can do that. It's just the same way you would from a Google Drive. I don't think this will work with your Google Drive, though. So that's another option. And I think my computer's frozen. So we'll see. So you could do that if you wanted to, but there's absolutely no need. Easiest way would be to do the URL. Then you're just going to go to your next one, whatever your next one might be. So maybe you're going to look for Fort Laramie. There you go, Fort Laramie, Wyoming. A couple of you had asked about like changing your marker types. You can choose a different one. You can just do the default icon. You could also, same as like a picture, where you could choose your file. It's up to you. You don't have to make it any special. I would just leave it the same. And that's it. It's all she wrote. You can look at it. You can preview it when you're done. So here's the story map. It'll tell you like what it looks like. Good luck. If you need any help, make sure you save things when you're done. But if you need any help, let me know. I'll be around.